Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. We just did a huge restock. Well, huge for us, but we just did a restock on a lot of Babyliss stuff, guys, and I'm super excited to share with you guys what it is. Before we get this video started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to drop a comment of what you think, what Babyliss product you like best, and make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get this video started. So one of the things I want to show you guys is, boom. You guys should see this item right here popping at supply stores near you real soon. This right here is a badass limited edition single foil shaver, and it's pretty much a travel kit. So that's what it comes with. I think it's freaking dope. If you guys want to see an unboxing video, let me know. Also, we just restocked on these bad boys as well. So you guys see this? It's freaking sexy, huh? A single foil shaver, gunmetal. It looks a lot darker than what it is, but this one's freaking dope too. And like I said, if you guys want to see an unboxing video, let me know in the comment section, or we can just unbox both of them since it's kind of the same shaver. So let me know in the comment section. But what do you guys think about this, man? Oh my goodness, it's freaking nice, right? It's a badass combo, a really small blow dryer and a really awesome gunmetal shaver. So like I said, you guys will see these everywhere real soon. We just happened to kind of get them early. So a lot of other things that we did restock on was, boom, the black Stay Gold Sophie trimmers. A lot of you guys I know have been bugging about these, but we finally got them in stock. So if I were you guys, I would go check out supremebarbersupply.com. That also helps us, you know, supports us, helps me buy my son food, helps support this channel, and pretty much tells me that you guys rock with me and that you guys are feeling me and all that good stuff. So make sure to go do that. If not, it's all good. Just like this video, comment what you guys think so far, and make sure to subscribe if you're new. So a lot of videos like this are coming. Like I said, we just bought a couple of cases of these bad boys, the black Stay Gold Sophies. That's what's all in here. Yes, they come in sets of 6. Oh yeah, Stay Gold Sophie. Badass trimmers. They come with a 2.0 blade. A couple of other things that we kind of did end up getting was, let's see. Oh, we got a few of these. Caliber 50 cal clippers. So I'm pretty excited. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about these. They're not as big in our area. I'd compare these to the Ergos, but they're not that available in our area. So I don't see a lot of people really carrying caliber like that. So let me know what you guys think about caliber. I heard a lot of great things and a lot of bad things about 50 cal. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We are going to be starting to carry them hopefully real soon. Another thing that we started carrying was, boom, this Babyliss all-in-one clipper spray. So if you guys are tired of cool care, Marverside, and all that good stuff, this is probably something you guys want to try as well. And like I said, guys, go check us out at supremebarbersupply.com or at our Instagram at supremebarbersupply. So we ended up restocking on a couple of other things as well, shavers, trimmers. That's what we just spent all day today doing, which is, you know, happy to have a job and happy that I can provide and hook you guys up with literally the best stuff. So you got these badass shavers in right here, the chrome, the rose gold. Let me know what you guys think about these colorways. There is different colorways coming in soon, but I can't really tell you guys. But if you guys want me to let you guys know, let me know in the comment section. There's a lot of new stuff coming out, guys. That is what's pretty exciting. We also have these badass skeletons that we just restocked on as well. Very popular, sells pretty well. Also, ouch, the white Bob the original trimmers. I would get these before they sell out, and we got a couple of them ready to go, guys. So yes, a lot of the common questions that we get is, do we ship internationally like all my brothers out there in the UK? Yes, we do. Just shoot us a DM on Supreme Barber Supply's Instagram, or you can email us at supremebarbersupply@yahoo.com. So let me show you guys a few of the other things that we do have as well. We got the Babyliss trimmers, the gold ones, the shavers, the gold massagers, of course. You got the rose gold trimmers. We also got the red trimmers, the cordless detailers. I know a lot of you guys have been asking, and yes, finally Wall has come back. That's why we have these bad boys as well, the cordless designers right there. I know a lot of you guys don't mess with them, but they're pretty equivalent to magic clips, so that's what we ended up getting. So that's what we got. A few other things would be like the silver, pretty much the silver collection right here. We got a different case over here. We got a bunch of stuff everywhere, guys. Shavers right here, another case of them. Out of the way, a lot of you guys have been DMing me about these, and yes, we have them available. Go check out our website. And yeah, it's a few of the things we kind of restocked on, guys. So I'm pretty excited. I love doing what I do, taking care of you guys. We really appreciate all you guys for supporting Supreme Barber Supply, my family. Let me just tell you this right now, guys. When you guys shop from your local barber supplies, the money you guys go to instead of freaking Sally's or something like that, those are already big stores. They don't care about your money like that, or you. So if you guys have a favorite supply store, Supreme Barber Supply, make sure to go by and support. Even if it's a couple bucks extra, a little bit more, you're helping support that person. Like, say you're helping them put food on the table, restock on stuff, because how do you guys think it works? So I just wanted to throw that out there. You have a kid like this guy in the back, you help him buy a ball or something like that. I'm just saying, generalizing what your money goes towards. It goes back to you guys pretty much all the time. So like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a huge thank you, for supporting me on my barber journey, and just everything, guys. I'm really grateful. Me and my family are really humbled to have come this far with y'all's help as well. We have a freaking supply store. I'm still cutting. I'll be posting a video real soon of what my progress is with hair cutting. I just cut my son's hair. Both of them. Come over here and show him your haircut. Boy looking fresh. Boy's looking pretty fresh. Woo! Yep, he's already sweating and all that stuff, but he's already looking fresh. That's right.
Look what's under my shoe. What is this?
Gum or something? I'm not sure. But like I said, guys, I really want to thank you guys for all the support. A lot of us supply stores, they're all small businesses, so I'm sure they really appreciate all of you guys for supporting as well. I know there's a lot more things coming out, so I'm super excited for that. I hope you guys are as well. If you guys know what stuff is coming out, let me know in the comment sections, and maybe I'll confirm if I know. If not, maybe I'll just be like, oh damn, that is coming out. I'll do my research and I'll let you guys know. I'm thinking about starting maybe a new series on YouTube, guys. Maybe something like, let's talk about all the new stuff that's coming out, rumors, etc. Because I do have a little bit of an access. One of the things about being a distributor is I do have a little bit of access of what stuff is coming out. Like, I believe I was one of the first to have, not first, but a few of the first to carry this bad boy right here. If you looked at Instagram, they're not really anywhere, and I think they're freaking sick. I already have one in my lineup, guys, and who knew these single shavers would be freaking strong? Who else uses the single shavers? Let me know. And if you guys got the rechargeable batteries, let me know as well what you guys recommend, because I know these batteries, it says they last like 5 hours, but who really knows? So let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know what you guys think about the batteries. How long does it last? Is it good? I thought they were pretty dope. I'll be doing an unboxing soon for that, for these single shavers. And also, maybe we can do an unboxing for both of them. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want an unboxing for both of them, and then we will do that in the next video or so. So that's just a little bit of everything, guys. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little update, a little vlog on I just want to show you guys a quick little update of what we just restocked on. I know you guys send us a lot of messages on Instagram, and I hope you guys find what you're looking for. If not, you guys can always DM us on Instagram at Supreme Barber Supply to see what we can carry. We're always listening to people carry stuff, and we're always trying to take care of our barbers, guys, the barber community. So let us know what you guys think, and if you guys want more of these videos, let me see it in the comment section. Drop a comment, don't be shy. If you're new, welcome to the channel, guys. It's good to have you guys here with us, and for those of you who have been supporting since day one, I really appreciate you guys. And we're grinding, man. I hope you guys are grinding as well towards your dreams and shit. So no, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I said, let me know in the comment section what videos you guys want to see next, and we'll definitely make that happen, guys. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to drop a comment, subscribe if you're new, and say where you're from if you're new. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our website. We are always updating it. We do have a current sale, I don't know if I mentioned in the video, of certain Babyliss trimmers, so go check it out. Don't miss out. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.